Hello, this is Rachel of the Grace Company Tech Support, and I am going to show you how to put cloth leaders on your rolling rail frame.
When you take out your cloth leaders, you will notice that you have one roll of Velcro. Peel the paper off the Velcro so you can start to put the sticky part of the Velcro onto your rolling rail frame. Attach it along the entirety of the bar. Depending on your rolling rail size, you may have more Velcro than you need. Cut it when it's at the necessary amount and fills the entire bar. Your cloth leader will have the loop side of the Velcro already attached to it. Go ahead and attach that loop side to the hook side which you have already installed onto your rails. Cloth leaders will come at a very long length, so if you have more fabric than you need, go ahead and cut it so it fits your rolling rail just right.
If you have any further questions about how to install cloth leaders, you can call the Grace Company Tech Support.